Jokanya sekta mar yiero koro dwaro ni mondo mi maki kendo tuwe jonjore manyocha ohinyo ji e yiero madundo manobagi dwe mokalo. Ginyiso gai mar obila Douglas Kanja mondo mi oyaw bura ne jonjore go kod josiasa matiyo kod jonjore go kanyakla kod obila mabende bedo nyapara e kinde ma jonjore timo njore lela kaji neno to onge gima obila timo. Jafwambo wa Nyambaga chakonwa ripodni e yo machal kod mae.
Romo mano chiwo thuolo mar yawo chuny kendo ng'ogo oko mopong'o chuny mana ndalo 10 bang' yiero madundo kod duol mar IEBC. Romo mar jokanye yiero madundo mane olokore kar neno kod soko wang' kendo ono kamane ketho pekie e kire jolut ombulu kod jochung' ka jonjore bende e soko wengegi.
I've never slept at home since I won elections. Baada ya kushinda vigogo kule, kwanza ni kupiga kura, I went to vote in a police commander's vehicle. As I talk, after voting, I could not go home. After I was announced the winner, my family cannot access home.
Lieto medo chwakore ne migawo mar obila ewi bedo nyapara mag jonjore kar rakruok kod jonjore go masani ng'anjo kendo dhialo jalo to kod gige lweny mager e kuonde romo mag siasa.
It is the political leaders who groom goons that work with them shouting here and there, but also the police here, they have, you must blame them.
I saw weapons that I have never seen. I witnessed women going back and did not vote because as a result of the violence.
Sisi hatuna goons wa kwenda nao kwa field. But why do we attack journalists? And we really appreciate the partnership that we've had with IEBC. Lakini bwana IG, when will we get justice for the journalists who've been attacked by police?
Kata kamano, duol mata yiero kod kiopacho ka IEBC kokalo kuom jakombe Erastus de Dunge Thekon to koni yiero ne otim makare kendo ma oyanga kata odoko ni gin kaka IEBC gionge kod teko thiro jonjore.
The head of these goons are the police service. That is the truth. I have had incidences where I was accompanying my party leader in different incidences where the police are actually part of the goons. And therefore, when the IG comes here with a small notebook on such an important day, some scribbled notes telling us, you know, we want to warn those goons.
The issues of goons and other political thuggery, this is something that we are not going to allow. The DCI have managed to arrest several criminals. Investigation files are progressing on well, and DCI have got all the details with him, because we are saying that we are not going to allow that. Goons, all manner of goons, thuggery, these are all criminals.
That the police officers were siding with a certain category of goons. I don't know whether those goons have specific labels for the officers to know that these goons belongs to the government, these goons belongs to the other party. They don't have any labels. For us, we deal goons as goons.
Commissioners mag IEBC koni koro gi kore mar luoko odgi kendo chiwo thuolo mar bero yiero mabiro.
There's intimidation during the voting and counting of votes, yeah? So the commission, you should find a way to protect the RO and have things put in place in a situation where RO may be under pressure to give or read or announce certain results.
As a commission, we have learned our lessons, and we are glad that we're engaging this early when we have started taking our responsibility.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.